What's up everyone? Today we're going to unbox one of the most detailed Funko Pops I've ever seen. So this is King George from the Hamilton line. So let's check the box. So this is from the Broadway line. Actually this is my first time to see a Funko Pop from this line. So this is from Hamilton and this is pop number 13. Maybe the reason why I rarely see a Funko Pop from the Broadway line. And then this is the print of the character. See the details of this crown, very detailed. And this is a special edition stickered Funko Pop. The equivalent of this I believe is Walmart. And then the character name is King George. Let's check the other side of the box. There you go. And then the back portion, so it shows the other characters part of this wave. So zooming into these characters, so these are the characters. And then the other side of the box, there you go. Then the top part, and then the bottom part. So let's go. Time to unbox this Funko Pop. Let us remove the Funko Pop from the plastic protector. But first, there's a stand included in this Funko Pop, which we will attach later. Well, let's remove the pop first. There you go. It's quite heavy actually, especially the head portion. I think it's the one mainly contributing to the weight, the head. It's quite hard to remove. Okay, this is the stand. There's a dirt. Okay. Again, the pop is quite heavy, especially the head. And I think this pop won't stand on its own. Thus, there is a stand included. Well, first, let's check the crown. See the crown details. It's very detailed. You can see the jewels, the accent of gold, and then the red portion of the crown. It also has a cross with more jewels on it. It's very detailed. See? Next, the hair. So this is the usual hair of the monarch, I believe, during their time. By just checking the crown and the hair, you can already feel the royalty of this Funko Pop. And then there is a black ribbon here, which I believe is holding his hair. And then, so that's the hair. For the face, so the eyebrows, there are some paint defects here, but it won't take away the job well done made by Funko in designing this Funko Pop. So the eyes and the nose, these are the usual template used by Funko for the facial details of the Funko Pop. Then next, let's check the robe or the body portion. So the robe is in glossy and quite glittery finish. Actually, there are no glitters, but the robe is shiny because it's in glossy finish. So let's take a look at the robe. There you go. So there are accent of gold, especially on the middle portion. And then look at the buttons and the layering of the robe. I believe this is also a ribbon here. And then the accent of gold I'm mentioning. And then in the sleeves portion, more detailing. The back portion of the robe, there are more details on the buttons. And then let's check the lower portion. He is wearing stockings, I believe. And then check out the shoe details. So it's also in glossy finish. I believe this is the second Funko Pop of King George. The first one is instead of holding a cane, so this is the king, so it's quite soft. Check it out. So anyway, the difference is the other Funko Pop is holding a scepter instead of a cane, and that one is a regular Funko Pop. Next, let us check if the pop can stand on its own. Oops. Yeah, because the head is too heavy, it needs something that will support the base for it to stand. It won't really stand on its own. So we need to attach the stand. Next, let us attach the stand. So there you go.